Hey, have you heard people talking about Bubume, the app that says you can earn hundreds just by watching short dramas? I've seen the hype too. But is it legit, or just another digital trap? Let's get real. Bubume promises big payouts, sometimes $300 or more, if you just keep watching their videos. Sounds easy, right? But here's the catch. As you get closer to that magic withdrawal number, your rewards suddenly drop to a few cents per video, or even stop showing up at all. Tons of users have reported they never actually reach the payout, no matter how many hours they put in. But what if you do hit the threshold? Well, that's where more red flags pop up. Users say their withdrawal requests get blocked by endless risk verifications or PayPal errors, sometimes demanding personal info like your PayPal login or even your card details. Let's be real, no legit app needs that much info just to pay you. The worst part? When people email Bubume's support team about their missing money, they get total silence. No replies, no help, just frustration. Check the Google Play reviews and you'll see pages of users shouting, "Scam!" and "Fake!" Most experts agree, no real app pays hundreds just for watching videos. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Already installed Bubume? Please, don't enter any sensitive details. Delete the app and report it through the Google Play Store's reporting feature. If you're looking for real ways to earn online or need help reporting scammy apps, drop your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Don't let these digital scammers waste your time or risk your